Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, you want to avoid late shipping penalties on Etsy. Just go and set this correctly. So on Etsy, your dispatch by date is based on your processing time, but you can manage it. You're gonna ask me how? It's again the Shop Manager. So what we want in today's small tutorial is to access Shop Manager to set dispatch by dates on Etsy, the platform, the app, or whatever you guys are using. It's totally fine. So let's get started by this. We just want to open our device, make sure we are fully connected to the internet, go through Etsy.com or through the app itself. It's not a problem. Look for the icon of Shop Manager after fully logging in using your email address and password. Make sure it's the correct account. Then tap on Shop Manager. Then tap on Settings, select Shipping Settings. Then open your shipping profile. Set your processing time since this controls your dispatch window. Then tap on Save. For individual individual orders, you should go to Orders and Shipping. My bad at this point. Okay, let me complete these steps. As for now, as I told you, open the order, then click Update Ship Date if needed. Then bonus steps. Don't promise faster dispatch that you can or then you can actually handle. Update processing times before busy seasons. Late dispatches can affect your store seller status, so keep it in mind. So what we want here is always to access our Shop Manager so we can see all of the information about our profile. And that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.